Alright guys, it's your boy Taji, back again. I'm doing something I haven't done in a long time. Doing an unboxing. Haven't done one in about 4 years. This is my Geek box. I was supposed to be doing some Loot Crate ones, but I've ordered 2 of them for June and July, and I had to cancel the subscription because I haven't gotten either one of those, and it's August 3rd now. Haven't even got the June one, but this one came in clutch and actually delivered. So I'm gonna open up, see what I got. Never gotten a my Geek box before, but I'm excited to see what's in here. The box is a little beat up. I hope nothing is ruined. Alright, I'm gonna let y'all take a look first.
Look at this clown. Just straight up foolish.
And for the sake of surprising, I'll just grab it one by one without looking. No, I can't pop that late at night. I was ready to. Alright. First thing I feel is a shirt. I have no clue what the theme is, but I don't know if they do themes, but here's the shirt. Ooh, I like this. It doesn't have that shirt stink that most shirts usually have. That's good. Like it. Oh, I forgot. I wasn't supposed to look. I only looked at a little bit. I got a Peter Baelish from Game of Thrones. I know I'm probably about to get a lot of heat for this, but never seen a single episode of Game of Thrones. I don't even have HBO like that, so well, here's the dude. I'll take him out the packaging. Well, here he is. I may not have ever seen the show, but looks like a good figure. Don't know if this is a good or bad guy, but looks pretty cool. Just put that over there. Alright, next up. Dunny Art of War Kid Robot. It's a mystery. I don't know if these are plushes or figures, but it's a mystery. One of those. Let's see what I got. It smells like paint, like heavily. Oh wow. What is this? You got this guy. You look like Genghis Khan. Genghis Khan. You got 2 little swords. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, moving on. Let's see what we got. Oh wow. Got a coin from Skyrim. Might also catch another batch of heat because never played the game. Wanted to, but never actually downloaded it. Oh, it's in a case. Here's the front. And the back. I might have to do like an overview of these items, like up close. Now that I actually somehow know how to edit, I'll try and do that. Alright, next up. Really? We got Call of Duty Black Ops 3 socks. When there's obviously a fourth one out, which I'm confused about. But I guess he's cool. I know I wear him. Probably to the gym or something. Can't just be repping an old game like that unless I'm putting in that work. Getting them games. Nice coloration. Pretty cool. Shoe size 8 to 12. I'm 12 and a half to 13. But I guess I'll make it work. Alright. All that's left is this thing. Oh wow. It's one of those doors. In the world? It's a Walgreens exclusive. A Doors. Got the Iron Patriot. Open it up. Here it is. It's pretty cool. Wasn't what I was expecting. Because when I glanced in here, I thought it was a Funko Pop. Just from the size of the box. So I was actually surprised to see it. They made the same thing? It says Funko on the thing. And you check. Yep. The whole box. Alright. So recap. Got this dope shirt. This Genghis Khan looking monkey thing. I mean, not monkey, bunny thing. Peter Baelish. The socks for that outdated game that nobody plays for real. The coin. And then the Doors. So, overall, pretty good. Feel like I got my money's worth. Wasn't that expensive. It's like $24.99 something plus shipping. So yeah, that was a pretty good box. I'm looking forward to the others that shall be coming my way, because after seeing this one, I'm sure that I want to get more. So yeah, overall good box. That was it. It was great, and we'll bid y'all adieu. Adios.